Hey everyone, Kyle Bascombe here with another tech tip. Today we have our 2015 C300. I'm working on the keyless go system, which is the keyless entry system. Simply means you have your key in your pocket, your purse, your bag, whatever. You touch the door handle, it unlocks. You press the button here, it locks. The problem that I've been having is this handle was not responding at all. So I was doing some troubleshooting. I'm going to show you a quick and dirty way that you can also troubleshoot the situation without just throwing a part at the car. So when it comes to these vehicles, they're designed to be easy to manufacture, easy to take apart. And in this case, both handles on the same side of the vehicle are designed in a very similar fashion. What you'll notice is the tumbler, the mechanical tumbler, is on the rear door right now, and that's because I took the handle off the front door and I swapped it to the rear for troubleshooting purposes. I'm going to show you how to disassemble the handle. It's not complicated at all. It doesn't require you to remove door panels or anything like that. You've got an access hole right here for a T20 Torx. Let me show you the style of tool that I'm using. You'll notice it's very long and slim. This is what you want to be using so that you can get into the hole. If you use a traditional, like a stubby 3/8 that goes in here, it won't actually fit in here. So keep that in mind. When it comes to the removal of the door handle, you're going to loosen the screw until it stops. You'll feel it stop. Don't go any further. The screw is captive in the door, so it's not going to fall in the door jamb or anything like that. Pull the handle forward like this, and then go ahead and remove the tumbler. See how easy that comes out? If you don't have a tumbler, you're going to have something else, and I'll show you that something else in a moment. Now that the door handle is out like that, it's fixed in this position, you're going to slide it back towards the rear of the car. So see how I slid that back and then popped it out? There's your electrical connection, and there's where it connects into the vehicle. So what happened in this case is when I swapped the handles, I started to get a response from the keyless go system again, but what I noticed is the response was intermittent. However, this door handle, which was over here, works perfectly in this position. So that lets me know that maybe we're dealing with something like corrosion on the contacts over here, or maybe the contacts of the door control module, and I can continue troubleshooting. But what I know for sure is if I purchased a brand new handle, it likely would not have resolved the problem. First couple of times I would have been okay, and then it would be intermittent again. Let me show you what things look like on this handle. We're going to pull the handle here. This time you've got this piece of plastic. It's the only difference. So you're removing this plastic piece now. You're pulling the handle towards the rear of the car, and then you can pull it out, just like this. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to put it back, put the door handle back in. It might be helpful to someone to see this reassembly. So what you'll notice is I'm putting it back in, and I'm slipping it forward. Once it's forward, I need to be able to slip this plastic piece in and pop it in place. If you notice that you're not able to pop it in place, just push the handle forward a little bit more and things should slip right in for you. There we are. Then, of course, the last step is you're going to torque that T20. Not going to do it right now, but you're just going to tighten it until you feel it stop and you're all set. All right, everyone, so that was another tech tip. Hope you're really enjoying the content that we're putting out on this W205 platform. If there's anything else you want to see, be sure to let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.